Following the heated argument between senators and Chinese embassy in the past week, both parties expressed their readiness to discuss their disagreements. Here's my report.
Newly appointed Senate Committee on Foreign Relations Chair Erwin Tulfo confirmed Wednesday that the word war between Chinese embassy and government officials have caused delay on the finalization of the Code of Conduct in the South China Sea. Tulfo made these remarks during his visit to the office of the Department of Foreign Affairs in Pasay City.
So dapat siguro tignan na rin ng mga leaders po nila o yung mga commanders nila yung mga statements before issuing statements po siguro. Kasi may mga ongoing po na negotiations, dialogue, medyo baka maka-apekto po. Imbis na mapaganda, hindi po natutuloy. Kagaya po yung Code of Conduct na tinatapos na lamang po na antala pa for this past few days because of that.
Despite this, Tulfo noted that this doesn't mean to back out on the statements being released by the government officials and lawmakers because of the ruling that sided on the Philippines over the territorial disputes. The senator hopes to finalize the Code of Conduct to stop the harassments and illegal intrusions of China in the West Philippine Sea.
Pero I'm not saying po na we hold back on our statements pagdating sa claim po natin sa West Philippine Sea. Tapos kung meron naman po talaga nangyayaring sakitan, kailangan po natin isabihin sa taong bayan na may ganung ongoing na pangyayari. Kaya nga po minamadali po yung Code of Conduct para maiwasan na po itong sakitan, maiwasan na po yung tinataboy yung mga mangingisda natin. Kasi I believe isa sa mga nakapaloob doon sa Code of Conduct.
Tulfo adds the upper chamber is open for the dialogue with the Chinese embassy amid the heated exchanges between China's diplomat and the government officials. The senator confirms that Foreign Affairs Secretary Maria Teresa Lazaro relayed to him that a Chinese ambassador is open for a meeting with the Senate. Senate President Vicente Soto III announced Wednesday that the upper chamber is ready to adopt the resolution condemning China's indecent remarks against lawmakers and other public officials. This is Alvin Palabello for EuroTV News.